Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi na isang like and subscribe at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about addition of dissimilar fractions. Okay, proceed agad tayo sa ating example. Number 1. 3/5 plus 2/3. Okay, so i-rewrite muna natin yan. 3/5 plus 2/3. Okay? So, kapag hindi pareho yung kanilang denominator, kasi nga dissimilar fraction ito, ang gagawin natin, kunin natin yung kanilang LCD. Okay? So, yung LCD natin, dapat ma-divide sa 5 at saka ma-divide sa 3. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, i-multiply natin yan. So, that is 15. Si 15 ma-divide sa 5 at saka ma-divide siya sa 3. Okay? So, ngayon, 15 divided by 5 times 3. Parang ganoon, di ba? So, isulat ko muna ha para makita nyo. 15 divided by 5 times 3. Ito yun. Okay? Plus, pen mo na rin plus sign. Tapos, 15 divided by 3. Okay? So, 15 divided by 3 times 2. Okay? So, equals. So, 15 divided by 5, that is 3, times 3, that is 9. Plus 15 divided by 3, that is 5 times 2, that is 10. Over 15. Huwag kalimutan yung denominator. Okay, so 9 plus 10, so that is 19 over 15. Okay, so this is improper fraction. Pwede natin gawing mixed number yan. So that is 19. Divide natin kay 15. So 1. So 15. Tapos 9 minus 5 is 4. Or 19 over 15 or 1 and 4 over 15. Okay? So next, let's proceed to number 2 example. 4/5 plus 3/4. Okay? I-rewrite ko lang ha para mas ma-plaster. Plus 3/4. Okay, so dissimilar fraction ito. So kunin natin yung LCD. Ang LCD is 20. So 20 divided by 5. Okay, sulat ko para hindi kayo magalito ha. 20 divided by 5 times 4. Okay, plus 20 divided by 4 times 3. Okay? Ito sa baba. So, 20 divided by 5, that is 4 times 4 is 16. Plus, 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 3 is 15. Over 20. Okay, so 16 plus 15 is 31 over 20. So, gawin nating gawin nating mixed number yan. So, divide natin 31 divided by 20. So, hanap tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 20. That is 31 or less than 31. So, that's 1. Hindi pwede 2. So, 20. Okay, 1 minus 0, that is 1. Tapos 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 1 and 11 over 20. Okay, so next, number 3. So, number 3, negative 5/6 plus 4/5. I-rewrite ko lang ha. Para plaster. Plus 4/5. So, yung LCD natin dito is 30. Okay? Then, 30, divide natin kay 6, i-multiply natin kay negative 5. Plus 30, divide natin kay 5, multiply natin kay 4. Ayan. Next, 30 divided by 6, that is 5, times negative 5, that is negative 25. Kopyahin yung plus sign. 30 divided by 5 is 6, times natin kay 4, that is 24. Over 30. Okay, so hindi pareho yung sign. Negative 25 plus 24. So that is negative 1 over 30. So final answer is negative 1 over 30. Okay, next, number 4. Negative 3p plus negative 4 over 7. Write lang natin na plus negative 4 over 7. So, yung LCD natin dito is 35. Then, 35, divide natin kay 5, i-multiply natin kay negative 3. Plus, 35, yung LCD, divide natin kay 7, multiply natin kay negative 4. Then, equals, 35 divided by 5, that is 7. Multiply natin kay negative 3, so that is negative 21. Okay, so this is unlike sign. So this is negative. 35 divided by 7, that is 5. Multiply kay 4, ay negative 4. So 5 times negative 4, so that is negative 20. Okay? Over 35. So, like sign, i-add natin yan. Negative 20 plus negative 21. So, copy yung common sign na negative, tapos i-add natin 41. 21 plus 20, so that is 41. So, negative 41 over 35. Okay, then i-divide natin yan. So, 35, negative, di ba? So, negative 1. So, negative 35. So, this is 11. So, magiging 6. So, equals, dito sa baba kunti, negative 1, or, negative 41 over 35, or negative 1, 6 over 35. Okay, so kapag ma-reduce pa, i-reduce natin. Kapag hindi na, huwag na natin ipilit. Okay, so ito yung final answer natin, itong dalawa. Gusto mo ng improper fraction, yan. Pag mixed number, ito. Okay, next is number 5. 5, 6, or 5 over 6 plus negative 6 over 7. Rewrite muna natin. So, that is negative 6 over 7. So, yung LCD natin dito, that is 42. Multiply lang natin yan. Tapos, 42, divide natin kay 6, i-multiply natin kay 5. Okay? Plus, pwede mong i-diretso na negative mamaya, pwede rin hindi, ha? Pero kailangan mo ng negative mamaya. Si negative 6. So, 42, divide natin kay 7, multiply natin kay negative 6. Okay? Equals 42 divided by 6, so that is 7, multiply kay 5, that is 35. Okay, so this is positive, negative, so this is negative. So 42 divided by 7, that is 6. Okay, tapos multiply natin kay negative 6, so this is negative 36 over 42. So, 35 minus negative 36, or 35 plus negative 36, so negative 1 over 42. So, negative 1 over 42. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.